Well, welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques and a stack of Duchess Pheasant design dinner plates, 9.25 inch diameter. Now they do make these in the 10.25, slightly larger rimmed English dinner plates, but these are the 9.5. And just look at the condition of these with in the stack. You can tell by how bright that gilt decoration around the rims is, but also if we bring one into closer view, just look at the glazed reflection on there. Can you see a knife mark on there? I can't. I think these are mint. Don't think they've ever been used. Classic Duchess Pheasant twin cock and hen pheasants in flight with that brown and grey foliage. Rolling scallop rim, slightly irregular, a large scallop and a small scallop, and period Duchess China marks on there. Used over the continuous period of production, that Duchess mark, so you can't really tell much about their age. I suspect these are towards the end of production in the very early 1980s, but they could be as early as late 1940s. You just can't tell looking at the mark. Usually the clue is in the condition and brightness. Absolutely fantastic. Stack of 11 of them for sale individual for the replacement market. As we say, we do have the dessert plates, side plates, and the bigger 10.25 inch dinner plates available in Duchess Pheasant, together with a load of teawares and servewares currently just going on catalogue from this job lot we purchased. So do have a browse through the website if you are looking for Duchess Pheasant Bone China made in England. Thanks for watching.